Namaste students. Our next topic is going to be area of triangle. From the lower classes we have learnt the area of triangle, that is area of right angle triangle, area of isosceles triangle. So when three vertices are given, now we are going to see how to find the area of triangle. So this is the formula for that. The area of triangle is equal to half determinant x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. You all know this, right? The area of the triangle formed by three collinear points is 0. That means if the area of the triangle is 0, then you can say that the given points are collinear. That is the given condition here. Let's see one question now. Find the area of the triangle with vertices at the point given in each of the following. Okay, so they are given 3 points for you. So we are going to find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is equal to half x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. So I'm just going to substitute the point. This is x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. On substituting, then you can expand along the first row itself. If you want, you can take any row or any column. So I did here reducing the first row. So 1 into 0 minus 3 minus 0 into, so 0 into anything 0, so no problem. So when I take this 1, I'll cover this. So 18 minus 0. So half 1 into minus 3 plus 18. So minus 3 plus 18 by 2, which is equal to 15 by 2 square units. Since it's area, I am writing square units. The next sum, the same only, area of the triangle and 3 points are given. I think you can try this sum. Okay, we'll go for the next sum. Show that the points are collinear. So what we want to show here, the area of the triangle equal to 0. If we get the area is equal to 0, we can say that the 3 points are collinear. Okay, so I have taken the 3 points A, B and C. So half A, B, C, B plus C plus A plus B, 1 1 1. So by normal expansion along the first row, okay, A into C plus A minus A minus B. So this minus is common for both the terms. The next second term, you should put a negative outside. So minus B plus C. So I'll cover this B minus C. For last one if I take, I'll cover this. So B into A plus B minus C into C plus A. So you can cancel this A and A. This will become C minus B. Then I multiplied A inside. AC minus AB. Here it is A plus B, A minus B. It is A square minus B square. Since on negative you are having outside, this will become minus B square plus C square. So here AB plus B square minus C square minus AC. So on cancelling you are getting 0. So we are getting all the points. Okay, the 3 points are collinear. Why? Because the area of the triangle we are getting as 0. Okay students, the next question, find the value of K if area of the triangle is 4 square units and they have given the vertices and they have given the area of the triangle also. The area of the triangle is 4. So what is the condition? So why I am putting here plus or minus 4? Yes, because since it is the area, it can be, if the negative value comes also, we will take as positive. So we are taking half x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1 equal to plus or minus 4. Okay, so half K4 0 0 0 2 1 1 1 equal to 4, or you can write here plus or minus 4 also. Okay, so K into, so I am expanding along the first row. So K into 0 minus 2 minus 0 here plus 1 into 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, or plus or minus 8. You can write here as plus or minus 8. So minus 2K plus 8. So I am taking two conditions, for plus 8 one condition and minus 8 one condition. Here you are getting minus 2k is equal to 0, k equal to 0. minus 2k equal to minus 16, k equal to 8. Okay students, so we are getting two values for k. So if the area of the triangle is given, how to find the value of k means like this. So don't forget this plus or minus 4, then you will get different answers. Okay, the next question, find the equation of the line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. So let p, x, y be any point. So we want to find the equation. You all know equation means definitely it should have x and y. So we are taking one point p, x, y be any point on the line AB. So that p is also lying on AB, which means A, P, B are collinear, right? Collinear mean what is the condition? Area of the triangle equal to 0. So we are using that condition, area of the triangle will be 0, right? So A, B, P, 1, 3x, 2, 6y, 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. So like numbers, we are going to expand this alphabets also. So 1 into 6 minus y minus 2 into 3 minus x plus 1 into 3y minus 6x equal to 0. Multiply this inside. After simplification, you will get 4x minus 2y equal to 0. This 2 will go that side. 2 into 0 will become 0. Okay. So with this, area of the triangle part gets over. So in area, what are the things we have learned? Finding the area of the triangle when coordinates are given. Area is given, find the value of k. And then the third part is find the equation when 2 points are given. Okay. Yes, are you all ready to go for the next concept? Minor and cofactors. So what is a minor? Minor of an element Aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which Aij lies. Okay, so generally, see, suppose this is the question, find the minor of the element 6. So minor means what is that? Where it is lying, that row and that column we should eliminate. So if I take that, what is left out is this term. So how will you simplify this? 1 into 8 minus 2 into 7. So 8 minus 14. Okay, 8 minus 14. So it is minus 6. So the minor of the element 6 is minus 6, or they can ask you like this also. This is second row, third, right? So this is find the minor of M23 also. You will get the same answer. M23 means the sixth element. Okay. One important thing, minor is denoted by Mij. Okay, Mij. Now let's go for cofactor. Cofactor of an element is denoted by Aij. So in minor we are not talking about the signs, but in cofactor we are talking about the signs here. Okay, so Aij is equal to minus 1 I plus j Mij. Suppose see, find the cofactor of the element 6 in the determinant. So where is 6 here? S, right? So what happens here? M23 is 6, right? We already finished that. That is that M23, what you got as M23? Minus 6. We got minus 6, right? So now A23 means 2, 3. 2 plus 3 is odd number, right? So odd number means what will happen? Minus 1 into minus 6. Minus 1 into minus 6 will become plus 6. So the cofactor will become plus 6. See, you don't get confused with one thing. M23 minor, generally how you will find? You will cover this. So you will get 8 minus 14 minus 6. This is your M23, right? And you all know we have two methods to find this. So 1 is by this formula method, otherwise you just check. I already told you, plus minus plus minus plus minus. So 6 takes the value of negative here, right? So already one negative is here and you're getting one value is negative, so negative will become positive. So in these two methods you can use any of one method which is easy for you. Okay, see, if you are thorough with 4 concepts, that is minor for a 2 cross 2 matrix, cofactor for a 2 cross 2 matrix, whatever the number given you can easily do that, right? The same way minor for a 3 cross 3 matrix and cofactor for a 3 cross 3 matrix. So I have given some examples for 2 cross 2 matrix here first. So find the minor and cofactor of all the elements. All the elements means you should find for all the elements. So first, minor of A11, or you can write this as M11 also. So first of all, in a 2 cross 2 matrix, we cannot eliminate any row or column, right? So what we can do now, for minor, you just interchange everything. That is 3 should go here, right? 3, the value of, just interchange this, 3 1, 4 should go here and minus 2 should come here. So first you interchange everything like this, 3 1, idu mattum just you change like this. Then you will have M11 is the first value, that is 3 is M11, M12 is the second value 4, M21 is minus 2, M22 is 1. Okay, and this is very simple. A11, see, 1 1, if I add these two, what you are getting? You are getting a even number, so even is positive, so plus 3. Already you have 3, so plus 3 itself. 1 plus 2 is 3, odd number, right? So you will get a negative number. Here it is 4, so negative into positive will become negative. The next 2 1 3, it's also odd number, so one negative should come. Already you have one minus 2, so minus minus will become plus 2, right? Next A22, it's even number, so positive value 1. So for minor, you first interchange and write and directly write the values. For cofactor, you should check the sign. Okay, can we do the next sum? See, 3 4 3 0. So first you interchange 0 3 3 4. Okay, I interchange, that is your M11, 0 3 4 3. Directly you write whatever you have there. So this is positive, so positive. 1 plus 2 negative, so negative. Negative, so negative. Positive, positive. Why it's positive? 2 plus 2 is positive, so you're getting a positive value. The next one more question I have given you. Interchange first, okay? Minus 2 3, 3 minus 4, M11 minus 2 3 minus 4 3. Then again you check the sign, even, right? Plus into minus, minus. Here it is odd, so negative. Odd, minus minus plus, right? Here it is even, so even number. So like this you can try whatever the numbers you can take more numbers, you can check, you can find the minor and cofactor for 2 cross 2 matrix. Yes, I know you all are very interested to go for the exercise. So exercise 4.4, write minors and cofactors of the elements of the following determinants. So this is the given question. Interchange and write first. 3 2 0 minus 4. So M11 is 3, M12 is 0, M21 is minus 4, M22 is 2. So it is even, so plus 3. It is odd, whatever it is, but it's negative 0, so we are writing 0 as it is. 2 1, it is odd, so negative into negative, positive. Already have a negative here, right? So negative negative, positive. This is even number, so we are writing this as it is. These are the minors and these are the cofactors. And the same question, interchange first, then write, then change the signs. Okay, Shall we go for 3 cross 3 matrix for finding minor and cofactor? So for M11, 11 means this. So I'll cover this, right? So this determinant will be left out. Likewise, M12 means this. So I have taken all the determinants like this by covering the other rows and columns. So 1 minus 0, 1. Here 0 minus 0. M13, 0 minus 0. M21, M22, 23, 31, 32 and 33. Now these are the values of your M1s. It's the same way. 1 plus 1 is even. So even number. 0, no need to check for 0, right? If I go for this, 2 is even number, so even. 0, 0, 0. 3 plus 3, 6, even number, so it is plus 1. Okay, so this is the way to find the cofactor and minor for a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so let me do one sum for you. 1, 0, 4, 3, 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So we are going to find the minor M11, right? Minor M11 means this first element. This can be identified as A11 also, right? So M11. So I'll cover this. So what you will get? 10 minus 10 plus 1. So it will be 11, right? So M12 means this element. So I'll cover this. 6 plus 1, 7. So M13, I will cover this. So 3 minus 0, which is equal to 3, right? M21. So this row, so you will get 0 minus 4. So you will get minus 4. So M22. So you will cover this. 2 minus 0, which is equal to 2. 2, 3. I will cover this. 1 minus 0, 1. 3, 1. Okay, so 0 minus 20, which is equal to minus 20. 3, 2 means this value, right? Minus 1, minus 12, which is equal to minus 13. 3, 3 na, I will cover this. So 5 minus 0, which is equal to 5, right? Now this is minor. So cofactor, right? Cofactor, it's very simple. 1, 1, even number, so 11, right? 1, 2, odd number, so minus 7. 1, 3, even number, so 3. 2, 1 is 3, odd number, so minus of minus 4 plus 4, right? 2, 2, here it is 2, 2. 2, 2 means it's 4, right? 4 is even number, so plus 2. 5 is odd number, so minus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is even number, so minus 20. 5 is a odd number, so minus of minus 13, it is 13. And 3, 3. 5 minus 0, it is 6 even number, so it is 5. So don't think these questions, the big questions, so it will not come in 1 marks. They can ask you find the minor of M23 or find the minor of A23, A21, like that they can ask you. Okay, can we do one more sum in this? This is the sum. This is 2, okay? 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. So M11 means you will cover this. So it will become 0 minus 20, which is equal to minus 20. 1, 2. So I will cover this. Okay, 1, 2. I will cover this. So minus 42 minus 4. Can you complete this sum? The same way, you find the minor and then you find the cofactor. And you have the last condition here. What is the area? That is, what is the triangle? A formula will be A11, A11. This small a indicates the element Okay, A11 indicates the cofactor. So A11 11 12 12 13 13 21 22 22 22 23 23 31 31 32 32 33 33. So using cofactors of elements of the second row, evaluate. So they are asking us to evaluate using the second row. Second row means which formula I can use? 2 1, that is A21, A21, A22, A22, A23, A23. Right. So A21 is this 2. A21 you should find the cofactor of A21. The same way, A22 is this value of 0 and A22 is cofactor. The A23 is 1 and the value of A23 is this cofactor. So you can find the cofactor of A21, A22, A23. You can substitute and you can find the answer. So we'll continue with the next class. We have few questions in this exercise. Along with that, you have only one more exercise. So 2 exercises have been removed from your chapters. So in the next class, we try to complete our portions of this chapter. Okay, thank you, students.